Welcome to Module 7 for the Avaya 4412 and 4424. In this module, we'll be talking about forwarding, muting, and do not disturb. To forward a call, sometimes we're not at our desk and we would like someone else in our office to be able to handle a call for us, or perhaps we want to forward into our cell phone, or maybe another office, or maybe we've moved to a different office and in the meantime we want to forward to our home. To forward, press Menu. Press the right arrow key, and then call forward. To call forward to extension 204, simply enter 204 and press Done. You'll notice that a D appears into the screen, which stands for diverted. The G stands for group, which means you are a member of a group. Almost everybody is a member of the main group. So let's see what happens when we place a call. We're going to call 203. And actually, this phone is now ringing. 210. And it'll say outside caller Kim in the screen. Hi. Oh yes, you were trying to get a hold of Kim? She's not in right now. I'll take a message. Thanks. To turn off the forwarding, once again, we'll go back into Menu, right arrow key, and we notice there's an arrow on top of it, which means call forward is activated. So press it to turn off the arrow above there. Press exit, and you'll notice the D has gone away. That means there are no messages in there. While we're here, let's clear out the call history. That's the 15 in the screen. I think we press Menu twice, then right arrow, press history, and just delete until there are no messages left. Exit. Now we've cleared out that number. Let's continue with forwarding. Let's forward into your cell phone. To do that, press Menu, the right arrow key, call forward. Let's clear the extension number we were forwarding to previously and enter the outside access line, which is usually 9. It could be 8 or 7, but for now we'll do 9, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, backspace. We wanted to put in 414. 1, 4, good. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's double check. 9, 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Done. Good. The D is in there. Now let's place a call to our extension. And now it's ringing the outside line. Very good. Let's clear out our D once again by clearing the forward menu, right, forward, and it goes off. Exit, we're back to normal. Let's say we're in a conference call or just talking to another person. We'll dial 204. 204 picks up. We're talking to that person, but our boss walks in, and we really don't want them to hear what we're saying when I'm talking to the boss. So by pressing mute, you'll see the speaker light will be flashing, and now that means that they cannot hear us, the person we're talking to, whether we're on speaker. See, whenever the light is flashing, that means our speaker or our handset is muted. When we press the mute again, it'll glow steadily, which means that now the person we're talking to, Bill, will be able to hear us again. That is a privacy feature. Let's hang up with Bill. Another thing we can do for privacy is to turn on Do Not Disturb. When we press our Do Not Disturb light, an N appears in the screen, which stands for not. In other words, do not disturb. So now, if someone were to call in after a very short ring, it would go directly into voicemail. Let's call this extension and see what happens.
Hi, this is Kim. I can't.
You notice it went right to her voicemail. As soon as we take it off, the N goes away. We call Kim again, and the phone rings. This concludes this very short module on forwarding, do not disturb, and using the mute key. See you next module.